Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain the grid method for drawing. This powerful technique helps artists achieve accurate proportions and precise placements when transferring an image. By breaking down a complex subject into smaller, more manageable sections, you can focus on drawing one small part at a time. This approach simplifies the entire drawing process, making it less intimidating and more effective for artists of all skill levels. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and improve your observational skills. First, you'll need to prepare your reference image and drawing paper. Using a ruler and a light pencil, draw a grid directly onto your reference picture. Make sure the squares are consistently sized, perhaps 1 inch by 1 inch or 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Then, create an identical grid on your drawing paper. It's crucial that the number of squares and their aspect ratio match exactly between your reference and your drawing surface to maintain accuracy throughout the process. Now, the exciting part, transferring your image. Begin by selecting one square on your reference image and carefully observe the lines and shapes within it. Then, draw only what you see in that corresponding square on your drawing paper. Move systematically, square by square, paying close attention to how lines intersect the grid. Use very light pencil strokes for these initial outlines, as you will refine them later. This methodical approach ensures accuracy. After you have transferred all the elements from your reference image, gently erase the grid lines from your drawing. Now, you can begin to refine your artwork, adding all the intricate details, textures, and shading that bring your subject to life. Take a step back to check proportions and make any final adjustments. Remember, consistent practice with the grid method will significantly enhance your observational skills and overall drawing abilities over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.